Welcome to part 3 of our Intermediate Shadowing Masterclass series. Today, we are focusing on specialized discussions surrounding modern finance, technology usage boundaries, and decision frameworks. Challenge yourself to keep up with the natural conversational speeds. Speak out loud, mirror my rhythm precisely, and let's begin. Let's work through financial coordination vocabulary. Repeat immediately after me during the silent gaps. It's essential to track your expenditures if you want to save up for a down payment. I've been diversifying my investment portfolio to minimize potential financial hazards. We should probably review our monthly subscription services to eliminate unnecessary overhead. Creating a realistic emergency fund provides immense peace of mind during unstable times. He managed to pay off his student loans much faster by cutting back on leisure spending. Understanding how compound interest works is a fundamental pillar of long-term wealth generation. Before making any major purchases, I always wait a few days to avoid impulsive decisions. Is it more beneficial to invest in the stock market or look into real estate options? Allocating a fixed percentage of your revenue toward savings should be automated. We need to consult a certified financial advisor before adjusting our retirement contributions. Focusing on digital connectivity, social networks, and habits. Keep your pronunciation crisp and clear. Excessive screen usage can seriously disrupt your circadian rhythm and general sleep quality. Finding an equilibrium between digital connectivity and real-world interactions is incredibly challenging. Many online algorithms are explicitly engineered to maximize user retention and screen time. I highly recommend trying a digital detox over the weekend to reset your focus. We must remain vigilant about the types of personal data we disclose on public networks. Artificial intelligence is rapidly shifting the way we approach standard academic research. Do you believe remote workspace arrangements have permanently altered global corporate environments? Automating repetitive administrative tasks allows team members to prioritize highly creative goals. Ensuring robust cybersecurity protocols is paramount for shielding confidential corporate documentation. The rapid acceleration of technological innovations can feel completely overwhelming at times. Shadowing analytical decision-making structures. Match the measured, logical emphasis of the words. We have to systematically evaluate the long-term consequences of this systemic choice. It's crucial not to let temporary emotional fluctuations dictate permanent strategic decisions. Gathering feedback from diverse perspectives helps us identify blind spots in our planning. What criteria are you utilizing to determine which path is the most advantageous? We must establish a definitive backup strategy in case our initial plan falls through. Every alternative we reject represents an opportunity cost we must willingly accept. A comprehensive risk assessment is mandatory before we allocate capital to this venture. It is far better to make an informed, calculated error than a completely reckless gamble. Let's focus our energy entirely on variables that fall within our direct sphere of influence. Once a collective determination is finalized, the entire team must execute it with conviction. Outstanding dedication. You have successfully completed part 3 of this masterclass series. Your vocal stamina, linguistic rhythm, and vocabulary comprehension are growing stronger with every sentence. Keep this momentum alive. Subscribe to the channel to never miss an update, and comment down below, "My English fluency is unstoppable." Practice out loud daily, and I will see you in our next training session.